Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our channel Learn AI with Mohammed Uwel. If you're dreaming of breaking into the exciting world of AI, then buckle up because you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into a proven roadmap that takes you from absolute beginner to AI pro. We're talking about mastering essential skills, building impressive projects, and landing your dream job in this booming field. Whether you're a student, a professional, looking to switch careers, or just curious about AI, this video is your ultimate guide. Get ready to unlock the secrets of AI engineering and embark on a path to a rewarding and future-proof career. Let's dive in. All right, let's talk AI engineering. This field is exploding right now, my friends. Companies are desperately searching for skilled AI professionals, and the demand is only going to skyrocket. We're talking about incredible salaries, exciting projects, and the chance to shape the future with cutting-edge technology. Many people are intimidated by AI, thinking it's too complicated or requires a PhD. Let me tell you, that's simply not true. Becoming an AI engineer is about taking it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of what it takes to become an AI engineer. So are you ready to unlock your potential in the world of AI? Let's get started. Every great journey begins with a strong foundation, and your AI journey is no different. In this crucial first step, we'll lay the groundwork for your success by focusing on two essential pillars: mathematics and programming. You don't need to be a math whiz to excel in AI. What you do need is a solid understanding of the core concepts that underpin AI algorithms. We're talking about linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. These are the building blocks of AI, and having a firm grasp of them will make your learning journey smoother. There are fantastic resources available online like Khan Academy and 3Blue1 Brown that explain these concepts in a fun and easy-to-understand way. Now, let's talk programming. Python is the undisputed king of the AI world. Start by mastering the fundamentals of Python, and then dive into essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas. The best way to learn? By doing. Start with simple projects and gradually build your way up to more complex applications. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's time to dive into the heart of AI machine learning. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions. We'll start by exploring the fundamental concepts of machine learning, such as supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is like having a teacher, and you feed the algorithm labeled data, and it learns to map inputs to outputs. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is like giving the algorithm a puzzle to solve without giving it all the pieces. One of the best ways to grasp these concepts is through online courses. Andrew Ng's machine learning course on Coursera is a fantastic place to start, but theory alone isn't enough. We need to get our hands dirty with some real-world projects. Start by building small, manageable projects like a spam classifier or a movie recommendation system. Remember, the key here is to start small and gradually increase the complexity of your projects as you gain more experience. Now that you've dipped your toes into the world of machine learning, it's time to dive into the deep-end deep learning. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to extract increasingly complex patterns from data. To master deep learning, you'll need to become proficient with popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. A great way to learn these frameworks is by trying to recreate existing AI papers or tutorials. AI is a vast field, and deep learning is just one aspect of it. As you progress, it's essential to choose a specialization that aligns with your interests and career goals. Whether it's NLP, computer vision, or robotics, there's a niche for you in the world of AI. By specializing, you'll become an expert in a specific domain and increase your value to potential employers. You've acquired the skills, built some cool projects. Now it's time to show the world what you're capable of. Think of your portfolio as your personal showcase, a curated collection of your best work. GitHub is your best friend here. Create a profile and start uploading your projects. Make sure your code is clean, well documented, and showcases your understanding of AI concepts. Take it a step further and write blog posts or create video tutorials explaining your projects. This not only demonstrates your communication skills, but also positions you as an expert in the field. Contribute to open source projects. This is a fantastic way to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. You've got the skills, you've got the portfolio. Now it's time to get some real-world experience. Start by applying for internships or freelance positions. Platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and specialized AI job boards are great places to find opportunities. Don't be afraid to start small. Even entry-level positions can provide valuable experience. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, workshops, and meetups. Kaggle competitions are a fantastic way to gain practical experience and learn new techniques. The AI community is incredibly supportive. Don't be afraid to reach out to people, ask questions, and seek mentorship. So there you have it, my friends, the complete roadmap to becoming an AI engineer. We've covered everything from building a strong foundation in math and programming to mastering deep learning, building an impressive portfolio, and gaining real-world experience. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Break it down into smaller, manageable steps. The most important thing is to start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The world of AI is waiting for you. Are you ready to seize the opportunity? I hope this video has ignited a fire within you to dive into the incredible world of AI. This journey requires dedication, perseverance, and a thirst for knowledge. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. If you're ready to take action, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you're most excited to learn about in AI. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more valuable insights, tips, and tutorials. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.